Hey everybody, Jared from Yoda Expedition here. Today we're going to be installing our blackout kit for the Toyota Tacoma. So this installation is super easy and requires pretty much no tools. All you're gonna need is some alcohol to wipe down your emblems, make sure they're good and clean so that the double-sided tape will stick properly. Our Tacoma is the TRD off-road trim, which just requires 2 of the Tacoma badges and the V6 badge, but we also have the SR5 and the sport models covered with our blackout kits. So here I just have a microfiber and a spray bottle with isopropyl alcohol. I'm just gonna spray a little bit on my microfiber. The face of the badge is where the double-sided tape is gonna need to stick, so just make sure it's good and clean. Okay, real quick everyone, before you get these installed, you wanna make sure that if you're working in a cold environment or if the vehicle is cold to the touch, you're gonna wanna use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm up the vehicle surface before you install the blackout kits. If you install it when it's cold, the double-sided tape is not going to adhere properly to the vehicle, even if it is clean. So you want to make sure that the surface is warm to the touch before you install your blackout kit. On the Tacoma badge, you're going to see a tab like this on either side. These are there so you can get the backing started off of the double-sided tape. So you can go ahead and get these started with the tabs. Just peel this off. Before you put it on the truck though, these extra pieces here are perforated, so you just pull those off. You're ready to place it on the truck. It's a nice snug fit. Just give it a good firm press on each letter. On the black truck also, that just looks awesome. If you have the TRD off-road like we do, you'll have to install the Tacoma on the opposite side of the vehicle and the V6 on the tailgate. If you have an SR5 or a Sport, then you're gonna have to do the SR5 badges also and the 4x4. Now you can just repeat the process on the rest of the badges on your truck. Sometimes these tabs can be a little tricky. The one on the V6 is a lot smaller than the one on the Tacoma badge, but get your fingernail in there, it'll come right up. Perfect. And the final badge on our off-road is the driver's door. Peel off both of these with my fat sausage fingers again. I'm getting better though. There we go. Easy peasy. Break the tabs off. That's the good thing about the blackout kit though. When you hit retirement age, you can just peel these babies right off, go right back into pappy mode. So that pretty much does it for the blackout kit install on our Tacoma. Super easy install. Remember, we have these available at yodaexpedition.com. The link is in our description. Also, like, follow, and share if you like this video. We got lots more to come.